Hey Glow Gang, it's Tanzania, aka Tanzy the Glow Up Guru. And in this video, I'm going to show you my birthday hair, which was in March 14th. And yes, guys, your girl is getting older. Not old, older and experienced. So yeah, in this video, I'm just going to show you exactly how I made this wig. And yeah, keep watching. Also, guys, thank you for sticking with me. All those who are following me, that love me, and, comment and stuff, thank you so much. So right now, I'm just putting a tinted blue lace closure on my wig head. And that's a dome cap. And so I'm just putting it on there. But I kind of messed it up. I'm going to fix it, y'all. I promise I'm going to fix it. Look crazy right now, but it will be fixed. So I'm actually just pinning it down. And yeah, I'm going to fix that lace. Just you watch. I pin down the sides with T-pins. And then I use these little tiny pins that are got like a bulb on it to hold the lace. Because if you use the T-pins on the lace, it will kind of like tear the lace. So right now, I am now sewing it on. The lace closure onto it. I did not show how I dyed the lace closure. I'm kind of glad because it did not turn out the way I wanted it to. But I believe I used the colors Clover and I used Clover from Adore collection. And yes, guys, I'm just taking my time sewing it. And y'all, please be patient when it comes to making your wigs. Take your time, knot it at the beginning of the first stitch you make. And then continue to sew, and then at the very end, make a knot again. So it doesn't unravel. I tend to double knot it, you can see. Right now, I'm trying to get y'all focused in on what I'm doing. I think I'm messing with my camera. Hold on. Yeah. Hold up. Yeah. Never mind, I'm gonna come back, y'all. Yep, I'm sewing. Still sewing. Sorry about that. Almost there. And I'm taking the little pins out as I sew. That way it can stay in place. And it doesn't get tangled up with the thread. And guys, my technique is basically sew underneath the weft or through the weft. Either one, it doesn't matter. Unless you want less shedding. If you want less shedding, sew around the weft or the weave track. And if you want more, if you want less, and if you don't care about the shedding, you can sew through it or around it. It doesn't matter. But yeah, I'm just sewing my butt off. And guys, these wigs typically take me about 2 days and about 4 to 5 hours per day. And it's usually the sewing, the coloring that takes the most time. And guys, this is gonna be a braided wig. It's like a Bohemian kind of thing. At first, I was gonna just sew a bunch of bundles on it, but then I was like, I really wanted braids. And then I thought about it. I was like, well, maybe I'll just make a braided wig, because that's what my first intent was, to make a braided wig. Then I was like, well, I'll make a weave. Then I changed my mind, and I almost gave up, y'all. I really did. I almost gave up. Because at first, this wig was looking kind of funny, and I do battle with imposter syndrome. So I was like, wait a minute. This ain't turning out right. Just quit while you're at it, Tanzy. But this was my birthday here, so I had to do what I had to do. And guys, right there, I'm using some special scissors. And these scissors right here are great for making jagged edges on lace. So you don't have to use a razor or scissors or do the little inward-outward technique. And right now, I am using tinting spray to tint the lace that I messed up. And guys, I do know how to color lace properly. Well, not lace, but the closures without getting the lace messed up. But I was rushing with this wig. I like my birthday coming soon. Let me go ahead and hurry up. But typically I don't rush with wigs. But this time, my birthday was in the next 1 to 2 days. So I had to do what I had to do. So I'm just cutting off with the jagged scissors. You don't have to do that. And I'm cutting off the inside of the lace closure part of the dome cap. See, there you go. I fixed it. Use some good old tint spray. Cut the tracks. Cut the lace. And now I'm spraying it with water. So I can better pluck it, I believe. Let me see. Because I think I'm about to pluck this. Guys, this is in the future. I'm not even in March. I'm in May. I do apologize, y'all. Your girl has been sick. So I just been, dealing with that. And thank you to all 1,721 of y'all, I believe. And guys, I learned this technique on how to pluck my hairline from this YouTuber named TANZYTHEGLOWUPGURU. And it's called the TANZYTHEGLOWUPGURU zigzag method. And that's basically where you take the comb, you make a zigzag in the front of the lace, and then you pull out hair that's zigzag. It's like a forgiving technique in plucking your wig because you can, there's room for error. Let's put it that way. You don't just pluck in one spot. I use water to, make it easier to pull the knots out without ripping the lace. I use tweezers. I got these tweezers from Dollar Tree, I believe. And I'm just parting where it is and just, pluck up or back or down or something. I'm doing a bunch. And then once you start plucking the row that's zigzag, you go in between the spaces and just comb out the excess hair. And guys, excuse my comb. I think I have edge control on it. Y'all, like I said, this video was so fast and kind of impromptu, so please bear with me. So yeah, I'm just combing it back, plucking as much as I can without plucking the hell out of it, So I'm doing it again. This is kind of repetitive, but that's what I'm doing, y'all. And guys, I do make wigs and I do sell them. I have a wig business called Imaginemeinnovations. And guys, please don't base my wig skills off of this wig for my wig business. Because, when it comes to my wigs, I just hurry up with it. They still look good. But when it comes to, other people's wigs, I'm very meticulous when it comes to, how I present it, the details, all of that. But this is like footage that I thought you guys might want to see because I created it for my birthday and it turned out pretty good. So I ended up braiding some of the hair at the front. And then I'm going to leave out a bang, I believe. And yeah, you see the little braids. I also bought some braiding hair off of Amazon. I'll leave a link. I believe I think I bought it off of Amazon. And I was just using edge control, I believe, this edge control, I love it, guys. You can use it for your eyebrows. I'm going to leave a link for it, the edge control, underneath the video. Okay? Because this stuff is good. Like, it's like for your eyebrows, like I like to brush my eyebrows up and keep them that way, and it helps my eyebrows to grow. Like, if you want your eyebrows to grow, use this edge control. Now, when it comes to its hold, it's aight. It's actually not an edge control, it's a braid gel or something. But you can use it as an edge control. Or a way to basically laminate your brows without using chemicals or something. I'm trying to do this voiceover and my dog is licking my face and jumping on me. I'm like, can you just let me be in showbiz without you interrupting? And y'all know who I'm talking about. It's not Wolverine, it's Princess Tsunami. The dog with the blue eyes in the white videos. Will you get off me? I'm trying to do a voiceover. Sorry, y'all. I know this is so unprofessional, but bear with me, okay? Now, you puppy need to go somewhere and sit down because I ain't got time. Get off me. Sorry, y'all. But like I'm saying, sorry, y'all. She's biting me. But like I was saying, I was braiding the wig. Now she's chasing her tail. My goodness, y'all. A day in my life. So right here, I am braiding. I started off braiding it like a certain way, but then I had a evaluate how I was doing it, and I was like, nah, I don't really like this. And then here's myself, well, me, yeah, you know what I mean. There I am braiding, and I'm adding in the synthetic braiding hair to make the braids longer. And I'm just, braiding continuously. And guys, excuse me, I'm not naked. I'm just in my bra. And yeah, I want you to see all that. Alrighty, guys, so I'm braiding this braid in the middle, but I'm actually going to take it down and leave the bangs out and curl them. I may or may not show that. We'll see. Because I edited this video months ago, but I just didn't do the voiceover, so I do apologize. Yeah, I'm going to be apologizing a lot in this video, but I thank you guys for sticking with me. And if you're new to this channel, please come check out my videos. I'm very innovative, and, I'm trying to be a little lucrative so I can get some money, if you guys don't mind. And right now, I curl the braiding hair, even though it has some human hair in it. I curled it with hot water, boiling hot water, and this hair fiber is really good. You can use heat on it. So yeah. And I just wrapped it up in rollers, like as if I were doing a roller set, and yeah, I'm using flexi rods. I'll probably leave some links to the ones I got on Amazon. Yeah, I believe I got them on Amazon. Or did I get them from, well, hold on. I might got them from the beauty supply store. Yeah, guys, please get with my check in the description box or the information box, whatever you want to call it, and check the links, because I do get a little bit of a commission, a percentage of the affiliate links. And guys, that would really help my channel if you would go and purchase through those links. You don't even have to purchase what I put. Just click on the link and purchase whatever you want on Amazon. I'll get a percentage. I'd really appreciate it, because like I'm trying to get monetized again. I was monetized for a while, and then the YouTube rules changed. I became sick and stopped posting as much. So yeah, I'm trying to get back being paid. I want this to be my career, making wigs. And for my wig business, I also have my wig business includes art. So I know how to paint, I know how to sketch, I know how to make digital designs. So yeah, hit me up. Like, I know how to paint shoes and clothing. I just, I'm a very creative person. So if you're interested, I'll leave an email. I'll leave my business phone number. And yeah, just hit me up. So yeah, guys, I thank God for each and every one of you. I'm going to end this video with a prayer. Thank you, Jesus, for keeping us like no one else can, for protecting us, for making a way in the desert and streams in the wastelands, my Lord. Please deliver us from the enemy, whatever else my subscribers and those who are not subscribed. Please, God, heal them and reveal yourself to them. And God, I just thank you for all you've done and what you're going to do and what you're doing. I love you guys. Y'all be blessed. Mwah!